Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to format an SD card on your Sony Alpha 6500 camera. This can come in handy if you've run out of memory and need to free it up. Let's jump right into it. Step 1. Insert your SD card first. Make sure your camera is turned off. Insert your SD card into the SD card slot on the right side of the camera. Once the card is securely in place, turn on your camera. Step 2. Access the menu. Press the menu button located on the back of the camera to enter the menu system. Use the control wheel to navigate to the Setup tab, which is indicated by a toolbox icon. Step 3. Format the SD card. Scroll through the options in the Setup tab until you find Format. Select this option by pressing the center button of the control wheel. You will be prompted with a warning that all data on the SD card will be deleted. To proceed, select OK and confirm your choice by selecting Enter. The camera will begin formatting the SD card, which may take a few moments. Once the formatting is complete, a confirmation message will appear on the screen. And that's all it takes to format an SD card on your Sony Alpha 6500. Now your SD card is clean and ready for new adventures.